all done with the makeup look today. Somebody needs a haircut because you can't see your eyes, Baba. You can't see your eyes. He always needs a haircut at least like every 2 to 3 months. Huh? Because then we start looking like Cousin It, and then we start running into stuff and we can't see, huh? We just can't see it now, huh? So we're not really a fan of the grooms, huh? We don't like the groomies, huh? Oh, we don't. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look, I decided to put a fun little twist on a summer cut crease look. If you guys want to know how to do this look, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on the subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe. This little baby, so cute, huh? He's more concerned about the birdies. Huh? We like the birdies outside, huh? Huh? You want a cookie? You want a greenie? Oh my god. Did you see that? Did you see that? You want a greenie? You want a greenie? You want a greenie? Greenies are his absolute favorite treat of all time. Especially the blueberry ones. He goes crazy for the blueberry ones. So, yeah, without further ado, please keep on watching and hit that like button and subscribe if you would like. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Alright, so I'm going to use my Anastasia brush that comes with the palettes, and I'm going to use a fluffy side and go into the shade called Unity. Alright, the next shade I'm going to use is called Orange Soda, and this is from the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia, and I'm going to use the same brush. Alright, next shade I'm going to use is called Eden. I'm going to use the same fluffy brush as I did before. Then I'm going to use my Morphe M441 brush, and it's a little fluffy brush, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that up to my brow bone. Alright, so I'm going to use a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to go into the shade called Saturn in the Prism palette. Alright, next I'm going to take my flat brush from Tarte and some Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to, as always, cut my crease. Alright, so next on that same flat brush, I'm going to take the shade called Sphere in the Prism palette, and I'm going to blend that from that orange color into the center. The shade I'm going to use is called Lucid. Take that shade on the very far outer corner and just kind of blend that in with that dark orange. Using the flat side of my Anastasia brush, I'm going to go in to Mulberry again, and I'm going to take that on the bottom lid of my eye. Next I'm going to use my Tartist pencil in the shade Black, and I'm going to line my waterline. And then I'm going to smudge that out. I'm going to use a Morphe M432 brush. I'm gonna just smudge that out. And then blend Mulberry back in to soften the eyeshadow there. And I'm going to create a cat wing with the other side, the liquid side. Using that same Morphe M432 brush, I'm going to go into the shade Obsidian, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of soften this eyeliner since it is a felt tip, so it was a little bit harder. You have to almost dab it instead of dragging it because it creates like these really odd lines. I can't get the perfect line that I can with like a liquid eyeliner like e.l.f. That stuff is like the easiest stuff to work with, but the felt tips have always been like difficult for me. They don't drag nice and clean, so I'm gonna go ahead and use black eyeshadow to kind of soften that line a little bit. I actually find this to be really nice. I totally just dabbed right on to my lid there. Alrighty, so I went ahead and applied my liquid lipstick off camera. This one is by Jeffree Star and it is called Family Jewels. Next I'm going to apply mascara. This one is the Voluminous Butterfly Mascara Ink. Yeah, L'Oreal. So that's by L'Oreal. Next I'm going to highlight my face. I'm going to use my Morphe M501 brush and Morphe E36 brush. And the highlighter today I will be using is by Wet n Wild and this one's called Blossom Glow. Never have too much highlight.